Il-Minuta tibda issa. Tamara Fenech. Creative Sustainability Entrepreneur. Frank Portelli, modern art pioneer, also your grandfather. How has his work impacted you?
I think when you grow up with so much art and design constantly around you, you take its influence quite for granted. Looking back now, I would say that it's influenced practically most of my life. His somewhat rebellious nature, I see a lot of myself in him.
What sparked this desire to share his archives?
Me moving into his old art studio about 3 years ago, his work needed to be shared with the world, and just deciding that this was the right time.
What was your favorite part about bringing this to life?
Seeing how his archive is impacting others, and not just seeing how it's impacted me, has been really beautiful to watch and be a part of that creative flow.